Did you know that you can print the ingredients and the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the list of ingredients to the number of servings you like. The link to the web page is in the details below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon with the 3 dots to change the captions. This recipe is for 4 servings. If you have scaled the recipe for chilies or the number of servings, then please follow those quantities. Heat 6 cups of water in a pan on medium heat. Add 2 thighs and 2 legs of chicken. You can use 4 thighs or 4 legs, or alternately 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 large, roughly diced onion. Add 4 roughly diced cloves of garlic. Add about 1-inch piece of roughly diced ginger. Add 2 slick green chilies. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add a teaspoon of whole black pepper. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 6 cloves. Add 4 split cardamoms. Add about a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Add 2 pieces of split black cardamom. Stir to mix it all. Add a chicken cube. It is just to enhance the taste. You may choose not to add one, but I find it makes it tastier. Leave to boil, stirring occasionally till about 2/3 water is left. When about 1/3 of the water has evaporated, strain the soup and pull the meat off the bones. Add a few slices of boiled egg when serving. Also, you can sprinkle some crushed black pepper if you so desire.